Welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling, and today we're getting ready to make garlic butter scallops. As you can see, I put a post up here, and the post was in my community tab, just asking everybody, have they even had scallops? Do you know what scallops are? And if you had them, what do they taste like? Do they taste like lobster? Do they taste like shrimp or whatever? And you can see, you know what, got like a lot of people that got involved with it, a lot of thumbs up, people like the picture, waiting on the video, and then you know what, a lot of answers, as you can see. What I'm gonna show you is, listen, we finna take the mystery out of that, because most of the time we see it, it's always like on a menu. It's usually at like a upper scale, you know, restaurant. I just wanna let you guys know this is so easy. Listen, if you know how to make shrimp, you know how to make these, and with that crust, they get a little glaze of sweetness. I don't know, it's that cooking process that put that, when you put it in your mouth, boom, you get that explosion. You know what I mean? So listen, I don't want to over talk it. We already took the mystery out. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to make butter garlic scallops. Now in this video right here, in this recipe, you want to talk about simple. Really all you're going to need is salt, pepper, which would be fresh ground pepper, and then, you know, garlic and butter. Very, very easy to use. And if you guys check in the description box below this video, I have the, you know, the quantities and everything in there. So what I did was I just started seasoning. That was kosher salt, by the way. I went ahead and just seasoned everything, you know, hit it with the salt. Then I came back with the fresh ground pepper. Look, as I turn it over, I'm thinking to myself, because it's really cooking so you can serve everything hot. It's about multitasking. So after I got them turned over and before I seasoned, I went ahead and put my pan on medium-high heat. And as you can see right there, 330 degrees. In between that, 330 degrees and 375 degrees. Go ahead and melt your butter. And then what you do is you just repeat. Hit it with your kosher salt and the black pepper. Now listen, the black pepper gonna turn, you know, black inside of your pan, but don't worry, that's not burned or nothing like that. It just gives it like a great flavor. It puts a crust on these scallops, and that's it right here. Now the first batch I made, as you can see, first batch, I didn't even use the garlic. You know what? I wanted to make a batch by themselves. You can do it this way also. These are like super good. And then if you would like, I like mine to have a lot of butter in there. It just helps it, you know, with the caramelization with the scallops and that black pepper. Man, there's something about that just turns them like a nice sweet. I can't explain it. If you had them, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Then you know what? I just set these out here. This was batch number 1. And then all you're doing is just see me, you know, set these back on here just for presentation, just to show you guys, you know, what they should look like. You can see the color and all of that. Now, with that same butter and that same seasoned butter, I went ahead and added that garlic to it, that minced garlic, and just stirred it around and got it nice and hot. You know what? And then you go ahead and just repeat. You want to put them inside of your skillet. That's enough butter in there. You know what I mean? And we just gonna cook.